EXO V5 is here. Let's talk about it. So many of you watched this year's TRCMA, and Gtechniq actually showed us a little sneak peek of EXO V5 and talked about the benefits. One of the great things about EXO V5, not only is it an evolution of V4, but it has some really neat features. Now, we were part of the early beta testing, and we actually got to play with some of the formulations of the product prior to its release. So Gtechniq has gone back and made sure that this is, after multiple formulations, this is the best version of EXO they could produce. What does that mean to you? Well, increased durability over V4. It's now 18 to 24 months. Increased hardness over V4. Increased water contact angle over V4, which means that it can shed and self-clean much easier than the previous version. One of the great things is its insane level of gloss. So for you EXO fans that maybe just want to use this as a standalone coating, you can. Or you can use it as a top coat on CSL, C1, and even CSU. So all the benefits of EXO V4, but then a whole bunch of really great new benefits, like we said. So hopefully now you know a little bit more about Gtechniq's EXO V5. Make sure you pick up a bottle today, and we'll see you on the next one. As always, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos right here, the Rag Company YouTube channel.